So finally the Apex Prime from Exor has arrived. I think this should be one of the best helmets you can buy for the budget of 5,000. Well, let us check the MRP of this box. It is 4,994, but I got it for 4,750 from Amazon. I'm pretty sure you will get a better deal if you go to stores offline. Let me just quickly unbox this for you. There is like this bag doesn't seem that premium of what I have ordered from Ignite. You see there are some bruises on this bag, and like it doesn't use, it is like, it doesn't looks like it is the first time unboxing I'm doing for this helmet. But anyways, this texture is very smooth of the helmet. It is really premium. It feels very much light in front of my Ignite. So last week we unboxed Ignite. Alright, this definitely feels good. The visor, yes. So this visor part, I think this mechanism for Ignite was not really good. I think Exor have done a pretty good job. You can confidently move these things in and out. You will find that there's a shortcut button to adjust your sun visor, UV protector visor internally. So this is a cool feature. Okay, and again bigger air vents on this series, air intake in the front. Let us look into the product. So there is a very beautiful chin protection, not protection, the dust protection. The dust won't come in this line. Okay, this feels pretty premium too. Some Exor branding stickers, you can use it whenever you want. And there is something else which I didn't expect. Okay, this looks like an accessory. Wow. So especially wanted a helmet to be orange, and now I think somehow this will attach. I'll look into it how to do this later on. But
this is at the back side.
Yeah, I think it will go somewhere around here. I don't know. Okay, it's there.
This is a spoiler.
You can say it too. Yes, it is for more better precision. It's a sports series helmet, but unfortunately this fit and finish are not that premium. It looks like a very cheap plastic toy. Didn't expect this up for paying 5,000 rupees. Should have been little more premium. Definitely a very, very poor thing.
But I think this is extra made by some other company.
Yes, of course it is. But then it is not at all premium. Exor should definitely
Quality control.
Yes.
Person should have paid attention towards this.
Alright, it's fitted. Looks nice. Great. Let me try to wear it now. Okay. Right, so this is the biggest size, the XL size, but it is comfortable to me. I ordered the L from Ignite. That was not that comfortable. I think even I will like XL from the Ignite. Next time I'll do that. And you can tie.
This is comfort fit.
Yes, this fit is very comfortable. This if you wear helmet, it should not shake. If you do this, it should stick well with you. So it is not going anywhere. It's not moving the place. It is good. I can look everywhere.
And not putting pressure on your cheeks also.
No. This is just holding my cheeks, not putting pressure. So size selection is really important. It is a full face helmet. The skull is protected very well. There are some mini visors also if you see in this packaging. Okay, cool. So depending upon your choice, you can customize your helmet. But this is so cheap plastic that a little bit of pressure can break it. It's a very cheap plastic. Cool. So that's all for unboxing the Exor. Some radiums, some blood stickers that you can stick on your helmet in case of emergency, and the Exor branding. Thank you.